And welcome back once again to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. Today I'm going to break down 4 of the most reliable vehicles with the highest resale value, and I will compare them with their top competitors to see if you're getting the best deal for your money. The Toyota Tacoma, it's been the king of midsize pickups for years, and it's easy to see why. With a starting price of $31,600, it retains 67% of its value after 5 years. Pretty good deal, right? The Tacoma's reliability comes from its strong suspension, simple design, and Toyota's legendary build quality. Plus, annual repair costs are just $675, and the chance of a major repair is only 18.5% over 10 years. As far as competition, let's go with the Ford Ranger. It starts at $32,600, making it a close competitor in price. However, it retains slightly less value at around 60% after 5 years, and its average annual repair costs are around $710. While the Ranger does offer a more powerful turbocharged engine, Tacoma's long-term reliability and higher resale value give it the edge. When it comes to compact cars that hold their value, the Honda Civic is hard to beat. Starting under $25,000, it retains 62.5% of its value after 5 years, with repair costs averaging just $368 per year. The Civic's efficient engine and solid build quality make it one of the most dependable compact cars out there. For competition, let's go with the Toyota Corolla, another solid option. With a starting price around $23,000, it retains around 60% of its value after 5 years and has low repair costs of around $385 annually. While the Corolla is slightly more affordable up front, the Civic's higher resale value and sporty performance makes it the better investment. For those who love adventure and need all-wheel drive, the Subaru Outback is a top choice. With a starting price of $29,000 approximately, it retains 70% of its value after 5 years. However, its annual repair costs average around $850, making it slightly pricier to maintain. The Outback's rugged build, advanced all-wheel drive system, and high-tech interior make it a truly reliable SUV. Let's compare it to the Honda CR-V, which starts around $29,500, another reliable SUV with a slightly lower resale value of 66% after 5 years. However, it has lower maintenance costs around $420 annually. If you want all-wheel drive and off-road capability, the Outback wins. If you're looking for a lower-cost, fuel-efficient alternative, the CR-V is worth considering. If you're after durability, off-road performance, and resale value, the Toyota 4Runner is a solid investment. With a starting price of just over $40,000, it retains 69.8% of its value after 5 years. Owners spend around $500 per year on repairs, and the 4Runner's body-on-frame construction makes it incredibly tough. The 4Runner's off-road capabilities, spacious interior, and reputation for reliability make it a favorite among SUV enthusiasts. For competition, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, it starts also under $40,000, offers more luxury features but retains only around 58% of its value after 5 years. It also comes with a higher annual maintenance cost of $720. While the Grand Cherokee may be more comfortable, the 4Runner's resale value and legendary reliability make it the better long-term choice. So whether you're looking for a rugged pickup, a fuel-efficient sedan, or an adventure-ready SUV, resale value and reliability do matter. The vehicles I just covered here today consistently outperform their competition in long-term value, making them smart choices for any buyer. Want to save hundreds, even thousands on your next car, truck, or SUV? Then head over to quotes.everymandriver.com, quotes.everymandriver.com to access real-time dealer pricing on both new and used cars in your area from qualified dealerships. It's a free search engine used by thousands of car shoppers just like you every day to compare prices and find the lowest deals available. Don't overpay. Start your search today with quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven Saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven Saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.